Good morning, students. Today I'll teach you karate. So, first you have to start karate. Okay. So, first, when you start karate, before that you have to do meditation. It is very important in karate. Meditation is very important. So, how to do meditation in karate? First, you have to learn like this. First, you have to stand in attention position, just like stand in attention position. From here, left knee bend, the right knee, then you have to cross your legs and sit like this. In this time, backbone should be straight. Hand relax position. You can see sidewards also. After that, you have to left knee, left, then right, and you have to sit like this. Now, next is you have to. Now, I will give you command moxo. When I told you moxo, that time you have to close your eyes like this. Moxo. Complete. Close your eyes. Body straight. Slowly take breathe in and breathe out. This way you have to sit at least 1 minute. My next command is so my sadairi. In this command, you have to put your left hand in front, then right hand, and you have to touch your forehead on floor, and you have to say us. Us. Now next is I'm going to start karate techniques. I'm not finishing my class. So when I will start, that time your movements is like this. Left leg forward, and from here right leg you have to move front. When starting the karate, when I'm finishing the karate, that means our class is over. That time you have to do same technique, and on that time you have to up and back. That means I'm finishing my class. So in this time I'm starting my class, so you have to up and move forward and say us. It is starting. Now we can start the karate class. So before we do class, we have to do some exercise. So exercise is from first is jumping. You can jump. I told you so many times jumping, a different type of jumping. You can jump like straight, same place, forward, sidewards, backwards. Now cross, change, other side. So many types of jumping you have learned before also. After jumping, when little bit your legs warm is over, that time hands keeping out waist and head up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now roll your hands till 5 to count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands up, right hand forward and left hand back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And skip it here. Now press back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a little bit upwards. And from here, you have to press back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And skip in front. Cover your face from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hands down, down. Hands on waist, roll it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand straight and press this side. Other side. Change this hand cross like this and press. Other side. Same. Joy. So many exercises, but I have done this type of exercise. I will go for the techniques. Now, I told you so many times, Agi okay, Soto okay, Uchi okay, and Gidan okay, 4 blocks. So in this time, I also practice one times all the techniques. From here, Agi okay block. I'm going for block first. Agi okay block. From here, cross your hands and press up. 2, 3, together. One hand come back side, other hand will go up. Again, first cross, then block. Cross and then block. I'm doing a little fast. 1, 2. When you are doing any technique in karate, you have to breathe out, just like Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati, you're doing like this. Breathe out like this. In karate also, you have to practice like this. Breathe out. Next is Sotoke block. Sotoke block. From here, left hand out, right hand keep it side. This is rotating like this. And from here, you have to block this side. Last moment twisting. Once again, from here, slowly, slowly, left hand come back. Now right hand and immediately last moments, this hand and this hand, immediately rotation together. From this side, rotation together. Slow rotation and together. Rotation and together. Now I'm doing fast a little bit. From here, 1. Breathing is very important. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is Uchioke block. Inside block. Inside means from here inside. Inside block. Inside block. Right hand forward. Left hand. Keep it here. Here also. Last moment. Hand is coming like this. Last moment. Hand twisting. From here. Last moment. Last moment and twisting. Last moment. Twisting. Last moment. Twisting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yours. UAV time is start. UAV start. I told you before also. Yoi. Yoi stance is called Haikudachi. This is called Haikudachi. Now, I told you some stance. So stance is first Jain Kusudachi. How to do Jain Kusudachi? Left leg forward. From your left leg forward, same time you have to cross your hands. Right hand forward and left hand cross. And from here, you have to block, downwards block, that is Gidanake block. I told you so many blocks. Yang Sodan. From here, Jing Swachi. 1 and 2. It is Gidanake block. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Same. Yoish. Yoish. Now next time I will send video some combination techniques. Combination techniques. So in this time, how you suppose somebody have attacked you, how can you protect yourself? That things I will tell you. Okay. So thank you, children. You have to do basic techniques, exercise basic techniques. Next time I will teach you some more exercise to you. Thank you, children.